laptop screen, drowning in a sea of downloads, photos, and who knows what else. And get this creepy feeling your data is silently judging you for making the unstructured data feel useless. Yeah, me too. But fear not, this data chaos could be the key to unlocking the next level of AI development. Let's explore how in this episode of Bytes and Brews. Alright, let's kick things off by revisiting our last episode of Bytes and Brews. We dove deep into the struggles of centralized change management amidst the rapid growth of data, uncovering how it led to unsuccessful initiatives for 85% of organizations. We also tackled the importance of embracing decentralized governance to empower teams and drive transformative decision-making. Now, in today's episode, we're tackling another crucial topic: the impact of poor data quality on AI in today's digital landscape. We'll explore the financial toll it takes on organizations and its roadblocks to effective decision-making. Plus, we'll discuss the necessity of shifting our focus towards data preparedness, especially in harnessing the potential of unstructured data for AI development. Imagine this: you're about to invest millions based on a market report, but upon closer inspection, you find it's riddled with errors and outdated info. Suddenly, that big bet feels risky, right? This is exactly why data quality is crucial for artificial intelligence. We hear about self-driving cars and robot helpers, but there's a hidden problem: bad data. AI needs good information to work, and if it's inaccurate, incomplete, or biased, the results can be disastrous. A recent survey by Gartner found that organizations lose an average of $15 million annually due to poor data quality. Even worse, nearly 60% don't even realize the cost because they don't track it. The result? Companies are swimming in data but thirsty for insights. Data workers spend a whopping 50–80% of their time just cleaning and organizing data. This leaves little time for the real task: uncovering patterns, getting insights, and building artificial intelligence models that can transform their business. The solution? A mind shift. Before diving into AI, companies need to prioritize getting their data ready. This means more than just cleaning existing data. It also means embracing the hidden treasure trove of unstructured data. For years, businesses relied on structured data, think spreadsheets, to make decisions. But today, there's a goldmine of untapped information: unstructured data. This includes things like emails, conversations, customer calls, and even medical images. A recent report says unstructured data makes up 80–90% of all enterprise information. Ignoring this data is like leaving money buried underground. So, why should companies focus on unstructured data for AI? Because it holds the key to richer insights and a deeper understanding of the ever-changing business landscape. Artificial intelligence is a learning machine, and it needs good data to function. Structured data provides a good foundation, but it's only a fraction of the information we generate. The real value lies in unstructured data, which offers the richness and detail needed for truly transformative AI. Take healthcare, for example. A patient's medical history isn't just test results. It's a story woven from doctors' notes, discharge summaries, and even emotional observations. By extracting valuable insights from these unstructured sources, artificial intelligence can identify hidden patterns in patient data. This could lead to earlier diagnoses, more personalized treatment plans, and even medical breakthroughs. A recent study showed how AI trained on unstructured clinical notes could predict a patient's risk of sepsis, a life-threatening condition. However, the real challenge is making sense of all this unstructured data. Manually labeling everything would take forever, and who wants to risk errors anyway? Additionally, there are ethical considerations. Unstructured data can often contain sensitive information, raising privacy and security concerns. Unlocking the true potential of unstructured data for AI development requires a multi-pronged approach, which is possible today using data management software that provides a single view of an organization's data. Here's what this approach looks. Firstly, advanced data management software is crucial. These software go beyond simple storage. They integrate metadata, essentially labels for the unstructured data, with powerful content analytics. This metadata magic allows enterprises to locate relevant information within their data silos, understand its quality, and optimize its use for AI development. Think of it as a sophisticated treasure map, guiding artificial intelligence to the most valuable nuggets of information while ensuring data security and compliance with governance regulations. Secondly, data quality takes center stage. Artificial intelligence models are only as good as the data they're trained on. Unstructured data is particularly susceptible to errors, inconsistencies, and biases. Data management software can automate data cleansing and labeling processes, significantly improving the quality of the information fed to AI models. This, in turn, fosters trust and transparency, as stakeholders can be confident that AI decisions are rooted in reliable and unbiased data. Finally, the ethical considerations of using unstructured data in AI development cannot be overstated. This data often contains sensitive information, raising concerns about privacy and security. Robust data governance frameworks are essential to ensure that artificial intelligence is developed and deployed responsibly, protecting individual privacy and adhering to ethical principles. The future of artificial intelligence isn't just about its fancy algorithms or technical wizardry, it's about tapping into the goldmine of unstructured data waiting to be unleashed. By doubling down on data quality and ethical principles, companies can unlock a treasure trove of insights that'll reshape entire industries. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about a game-changing collaboration that's shaking up the world of AI. Data Dynamics and Hitachi Vantara are teaming up to revolutionize the way we harness data. This dynamic duo isn't just tackling data sprawl and compliance. They're unlocking the hidden treasure trove of unstructured data that businesses have been sitting on. Hitachi Vantara's intelligent storage solutions are transforming data from passive repositories into active guardians. Think of it as prioritizing data based on its relevance and value, ensuring only the essentials stick around. And that's where Data Dynamics swoops in. Their software unleashes the power of metadata and advanced content analytics, illuminating the vast potential hidden within unstructured data. From safeguarding privacy to empowering data-driven decision-making, this collaboration is a game-changer. But perhaps the most exciting part? It's all about empowering businesses to become true data stewards, fostering a culture of responsibility and transparency. With granular insights and actionable intelligence at their fingertips, businesses can navigate the data landscape with confidence, driving innovation and success. That's a wrap for Bytes and Brews today. We've ignited your curiosity about the power of unstructured data and its role in AI's future. But the conversation doesn't end here. In the next episode, we will explore the topic from brick and mortar to data powerhouse, the cloud transformation blueprint for banks. Thanks for tuning in to Bytes and Brews, where we're all about sparking curiosity, driving innovation, and giving you the power to shape the artificial intelligence universe. Together, we're charting the course for the future of data. Hit that subscribe button, share this episode with your network, and spread the word. Together, let's shape the future responsibly, one data-fueled episode at a time. Cheers!